How to create a product page with Debutify theme on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create your product page with Debutify. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here onto debutify.com. You could just simply search for it and you'll arrive onto their website. Now once you're over here, you're just simply going to go ahead and start your free trial. You can buy it if you want to. For that purpose, let me just show you the pricing. For that purposes, let me just show you the pricing table. So for pricings, it starts at free $0 per month. Then we have $29 per month, $79, and $149 per month. So you can choose whichever you want. If you go with the free version, you'll only be able to have one store license, basic support, and free forever, right? That's pretty much it. If you go with the starter plan, it's going to cost you $29, one store license, access up to 5 add-ons, advanced support, and one-click integration. Same for the Pro one, $79, one store. You can add up to 30 add-ons, advanced support, feature request, and one-click integrations. Oops, I think they just updated their pricings and now it's gone down a little bit, but it doesn't really matter. We're going to go with the free plan. Just simply click on Start Now and sign up. So to sign up, just enter in your first name, your full name, your email address, your password, and enter in your Shopify domain, which you can find on your Shopify store right here. Just simply copy the URL and then just simply paste it right here and click on create an account. And once you're done, you're good to go. So I've already created an account. I'm just simply going to go ahead and log in. So once you've signed up or logged in, this is how it's going to look like. You're going to have your dashboard right here, and on the left hand side, you're going to have your main options. So you can start using the Debutify theme by downloading it right here by clicking on the download button. As you can see over here on the left hand side, you click on download theme and it's going to pop up over here, Debutify theme. You just simply click on the download button and you can go ahead and download it. There's also another way where you can go ahead and start adding it directly from your store, from the Debutify website, and adding it over here. But I feel like it's much better to download the theme and upload it onto your Shopify store and customize it over there. So I've already downloaded the theme. Now I'm going to go ahead and install it onto my Shopify store. So to install the theme, go and click on online store over here on the left hand side, and on themes, you're going to see you have add themes option right here in theme library. Just simply click on add theme and click on upload zip file, and then just simply drag and drop the zip file, or just simply click on the button and then just simply choose the theme right here and just simply click on upload file. It should upload in a couple of minutes, and there we go. As you can see, the theme has been added right here, Debutify theme. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and customize it. We can even publish it that way. Our theme will be replaced over here. Currently I have the Dawn theme. It will be replaced by the Debutify theme. So let's go ahead and click on publish it, and there we go. As you can see, our theme has now been replaced. Now we can go ahead and customize it and add all of our logos and add all of our products and make it official. So over here, as you can see on the left hand side, we have a bunch of different options. All these options that have these little lightning bolts next to them, those are the add-on options that come with the theme. So those options that don't have this bolt, those are the default options. So let's go ahead and try to edit it. Over here on the top, you can see we have the home page. We can select it and go to the product page right here. And over here is the default product page right here. And over here, we can go ahead and start editing it out. So just simply click on the home page, and over here, you will see the products. This is going to be your product section. You don't need to, do anything right here. To create a product page, just simply click on pages. And over here, just simply click on create a template or get a full width, whatever you want to do. So let's go ahead and create a template. And over here, based on, you can choose whichever one you want. But for now, we'll just select default and we'll call it product page. And just simply click on create template. And there we go. We now have a blank page right here. We can add different sections to it in order to create a product page. So this is how it looks like for now. I had to change the top form because I had to change it to another page. It's now assigned. So to do that, just simply click on change and it'll pop up, right? So click on change. Over here, you can select the page. Now, in order to create a page, you're going to have to go back to your dashboard. All right. And underneath online stores, you will have pages. Select the pages. And over here, go back. Oh, sorry about that. Over here, you can add different pages. So simply click on add page and you can add the name over here, right? That's how I changed the name of this page. So I called it the product page, and that's why it says product page at the top. Now at the bottom, we can go ahead and start adding our different sections. So we added a collection section, right? To add a section, just simply click on add section and choose a section you want. You could go with a video or a testimonial or a slideshow or gallery or featured content or featured collection or a collection list. It all depends on you, and it's pretty simple. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that we have a collection page, let's go ahead and assign different products to this collection. So to do that, just simply select the block right here. I have selected it, right? Over here on the left hand side, we just simply click on select collection. And now I have already created a collection. And if you don't know how to do that, I'll show you in a second. You select the collection and click on select. There we go. And now you will have a bunch of different collections. You can add multiple different collections for different, categories. So you could have like a ring collection, you could have like a bracelet or a collar or t-shirt, whatever you want. You can add different collections, and as you click on these buttons, add collection or add segment, it'll increase the collection list. So you could go ahead and customize it however you want. Now let me show you how you can create a collection. Again, go back to your Shopify homepage or dashboard, and over here at the top you will see you have products. Underneath products you will see you have collections. Click on collections, and over here you can create a collection. Simply click on create collection, and over here name the collection whatever you want, and then you can go ahead and add a condition. So product must match this condition or all condition or any condition, right? You could go with a product tag is equal to this particular tag. You can add it. So if it were a bracelet collection, you could add a bracelet over here, and whichever product that has this tag will automatically be added into this collection. It all depends on you. We'll go with the bracelets, and we'll add a description however you want it. You could also change it to manual, so you can add manual products to it, but I feel like automated is much better. So it just gives you a little bit of more freedom, and you can choose where you want this collection to be visible, and then just simply click on save. Now you can go ahead and add different products over here into this collection, as you can see, and once you go back you can select that collection and place it over here and showcase it as well. So you could go with something like this, and you can add featured product section as well. Like click on add section and go with a, where is it, featured product right here. Just simply click on featured product and you will have a featured product, a product that's doing really well. You could showcase it at the top so that whenever someone comes over here, they're gonna see it over here, and then down below you'll have a collection list or guaranteed or testimonials and stuff like that. And once it's done, once you've played around with it, you could go ahead and save it. It's already assigned over here. So there we go, it's now saved. Now let's go ahead and take a look. Let me go back to my Shopify dashboard, go on to online stores, and let me actually go ahead and open up in another tab. So right here, as you can see, this is my website, and where are the store page button? Let me actually select it or see if I actually added it as well. Here we go. In catalogs, we have our product pages. So over here is going to be all of our products. This looks pretty similar, but where is my page? That I wonder. I think I would need to add that. Sorry about that. There we go. I added this section right here called a mega menu. You can add it by clicking on the header option, and over here you will have a option. Where is it? You can add a block right here. As you can see, I added that. You click on add block and you select which block you want. You could go with the mega menu, product collection. You can go with anyone. I selected the mega menu, and then I configured it with different pages, right? As you can see right here, if I come over here, I can change it as well. I can change the menu. For that, I had to add the menu, and over here you would, click on change menu, and you click on create a new menu. It'll take you over here on to where you can create a menu for your mega menu. I called it just pages, whatever you want, you can call it. This is just to showcase that you could actually do it. You add the title, you select the item right here, you add it right here, you give it a name, and you select it right over here where you will have all of your pages. And I already showed you how you can create a pages, so you can just simply select it, and then you can go ahead and link to it, add it to your mega menu, and then this is how it will look like. As you can see, I have a pages option right here. I click on pages, and then we have our product page that we just created. As you can see, Debutify theme is actually pretty cool. It has a lot of options and gives you a lot of flexibility, so I highly recommend you use Debutify. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.